Good morning. It's Wednesday, May 15th, 2024. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. Had a few light showers in North Georgia this morning. A little light shower around Macon as well. And watch it on radar loop. Yeah, it popped up and then faded away before reaching Gordon. So we are pretty much clear across the state of Georgia. And as we zoom back out again, I'll pause the radar animation and take a look at the infrared satellite imagery. Yeah, nothing going on. We have some clouds out in the Atlantic Ocean down toward Florida, but we are all quiet here in the state of Georgia. Temperatures already starting off fairly warm in South Georgia, mid to upper 70s. We have low 70s in parts of middle Georgia and low 60s up in the North Georgia mountains. Blairsville checking in at 63. It is 70 degrees at the Atlanta airport. So as we start off warm, that means we're going to continue to warm up through the day today, and we could see a couple of showers and thunderstorms. Level 1 out of 5 severe weather risk for northeast Georgia, all the way down to the CSRA, including Augusta, and down into Screven County and Burke County, almost to Savannah. We do have the light shade of green, which is our general thunderstorm risk covering a good part of the state. That's mainly going to be later on through the afternoon and evening hours. Tomorrow, all clear, and then on Friday, level 1 out of 5 severe weather risk for extreme northwest Georgia, general thunderstorm risk for the rest of the state. So let's time it out as we move through the day today. Not going to see much going on. It's going to kind of feel like a summer day. We see a couple of scattered showers up over the North Georgia mountains. That'll be about it. Later this afternoon, some thunderstorms possible in Atlanta along the I-20 corridor. Just keep in mind, this model is not an exact science telling you exactly where the storms are going to pop up. This is just telling you that the atmosphere is warm, we have humidity there, and we have just enough lift today that we could see a couple of these storms pop up anywhere across the state of Georgia, especially this afternoon, especially this evening. Then a couple of those showers still around the late night hours tonight. Pretty calm overnight tonight. Will be foggy as we get started tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow, we have a little bit more high pressure kind of settling in. We're kind of on the brink between the high and the low. The high pressure is sinking air, low pressure is rising air. So you need that rising air to get those storms to pop up. So tomorrow, air is going to be pretty stagnant. If anything, maybe falling or sinking more than anything else. So as we move through the day, not really showing anything in terms of rain across the state of Georgia. Will be kind of surprising if we make it through the entire day and not at least get a shower or two down in parts of South Georgia. But you can see that little high pressure bubble right from Augusta down to Statesboro by late tomorrow night. So that's what I'm talking about. So the air is going to be pretty neutral as we move through the day on Thursday, and then Friday that starts to change a little bit with a couple of showers and thunderstorms back in. As I mentioned, they move in from west to east, so we'll see that up in northwest Georgia first, then eventually moving across metro Atlanta and down into the mid-state throughout the day Friday, and then more rain possible as we head into the weekend. That's the latest from the Georgia WeatherNet. Now your local forecast from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.